Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and in today's video I'm going to be making a batch of scalp psoriasis treatment for my business Lavish Curls Beauty. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's get straight into it. So if you are new here, I am Yalon. I am the founder and CEO of Lavish Curls Beauty, a all-natural hair care business, and I have two collections. I have a hair growth collection and I have a scalp psoriasis collection. So I need to make a batch of my scalp psoriasis treatment because we need to restock, plus I need some treatment to fulfill some of my orders. So I'm just going to be taking you guys behind the scenes, showing you guys the ingredients that's included in the scalp psoriasis treatment, showing you guys basically like how I make it and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's just get into it. So I'm only going to be doing a batch of 12 because I am running low on my glass dropper bottles. The ounce size for this product is always a 2 ounce. So these are the glass dropper bottles that I use, and this is available for sale on my website. And for the month of January, the scalp psoriasis treatment is only going to be $10. So some of the key ingredients used in this product is neem oil. Neem oil is good for reducing flare-ups, also calming itchiness, and helping to actually remove the flakes off of your scalp. So neem oil is amazing for this product. Also, I do use extra virgin olive oil. I get this one from where'd I get this? I got this from Target. This is the Good and Gather brand. And then the neem oil I did purchase off of Amazon. I also do have a vendor list available for purchase if you guys are interested in knowing where I get all of my stuff. I do have my peppermint oil that goes in here as well. That's by the brand Art Naturals. Love them. I have my lemongrass oil, my tea tree oil, my lavender oil, and then my bergamot oil. All these essential oils help a lot with reducing your flare-ups and keeping them from not coming back as often. It also does help with the itchiness on your scalp. It also does help with regrowing your hair as well, helping with itchiness, helping your scalp to be antibacterial, and just making it feel so much better. So let's go ahead and make the treatment.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. Over my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom got the New York the shelf. Now my bitches did the Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
It's not doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I don't love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You said you warm with my heart, didn't think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Nothing we know you can tell me. How can fuck me up, don't let me down. Slit your wrist, but I'm willing to take a chance. What you think with my heart's in your hand? Gotta learn how to let someone hold you. Take time, gotta trust who I let you trust. Got me questioning what you've done to me. Used to be out of reach. Feel like you're testing me, you're necessity. Full court press on me. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. You know I wanna be around. You said you warm with my heart, didn't think it ever be so hard. Crazy, I'm letting down my guard. Don't fuck me up, don't let me down. Cause if you ever wanna drown, I need to hear it from you. Nothing we know.
So this is what the final product looks like, y'all. So if you are somebody that has scalp psoriasis, you want to use this product once a week prior to shampooing your hair. So that's the point of it being a treatment. You want to use it before shampooing your hair out. So what you're going to do is you're going to take this product, you're going to use the dropper top, you're going to part your hair, and you're going to apply it directly to your scalp. You can take a thin tooth comb and you can gently lift at your flakes to help get them up. And then you're going to leave this product in your hair for an hour, and then you shampoo it out with our scalp psoriasis shampoo. So once a week prior to shampooing, leave it on for an hour, wash it out. You can leave it on longer than an hour if you want to, but minimum time I recommend is an hour. So this is available on my website, lavishcurlsbeauty.com. It is linked in the description box below. And I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.